Start streaming. All right, so let's see what we got here. Let me open up the chat. All right, good morning, good morning. Let's mute. Oh, I got this running here. Okay, perfect. All right, so I guess we are on now. You guys hear me good? On Zoom? You guys hear me good? Okay, super. Perfect, let's rock. Okay, so, sorry for the delay, guys. All right, so as you see, I wear my Canadian ab shirt because we won yesterday. Yeah. All right. So, all right. So let's break down GJ. Donc c'est parti les amis, bon matin, bienvenue à vous. Si c'est votre première fois aujourd'hui, donc bienvenue sur notre stream. Donc vous allez vous apercevoir que je vais passer de français à l'anglais, de l'anglais à français. Ne vous inquiétez pas. Généralement, j'essaie de pas mal tout traduire pour aider tout le monde. Si vous avez des questions, gênez-vous pas à les poser. So guys, if it's your first time here, welcome. You'll see I'll be bouncing from French to English. So if you have any question, let me know. And don't freak out about the language bouncing back and forth. I will try to translate pretty much everything. So again, welcome. If you're on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you'll get notified next time we go live. So please, when incoming into the Zoom, please mute yourself, guys. We are in 2021. I expect that everyone knows how Zoom works, right? So guys coming in YouTube, please mute yourself. Okay, mute all. All right. There we go. So I'll just mute everyone because some people doesn't know how to use Zoom. All right. So let's get started here. Alright, so on va commencer par l'analyse de GJ. Donc ça, on regarde sur le chart du mois. Donc, whoopsie. Let's lock this. There we go. So, looking at the monthly chart, donc si on regarde le chart du mois, donc on a maintenant la chandelle du mois qui a brisé le haut précédent, a respecté le bas précédent. Donc, techniquement, on devrait continuer notre ascension vers le haut. La seule problème que j'ai, c'est que 142 est un niveau très solide et à toutes les fois qu'on a été à 142 récemment, on a eu de la difficulté à aller plus loin et ça a été rejeté. So looking at the monthly right now, I mean, if you look, I mean, the monthly broke previous high, respected previous low. So technically, we should continue up, but the only big major problem is 142. 142, every time we tried to break it last time, it got rejected. So let's see how it goes today. So looking at the weekly now. So now looking at the weekly, if you look, I mean, we're trending bearish. Sorry, still early. So we're trending bullish, obviously. And so far this weekly respected previous low. We didn't broke previous high yet, but it makes sense that we continue up. All right, so we got this wick to fill, we got this wick to fill, and we got clean traffic to the left side after that. Donc si on regarde sur le chart de la semaine, on a respecté le bas précédent. Jusqu'à date, on n'a pas brisé le haut précédent, mais ça fait beaucoup de sens de dire qu'on devrait continuer vers le haut à ce moment-ci. So looking at the daily, here, we are forming a support as we speak. It's not closed yet, so we don't know for sure. But on the daily, we were bearish right now. Okay, we were bearish, I said. Now we are on the bullish side. Why? Because we broke previous high, respected previous low. So now it makes sense for today to continue up, right? But again, this candle, if it start reversing, I mean, we might finish the day bearish, but I don't think so. Okay. And the reason why is I will explain that on the 4 hours. Okay. So now, let's do this in French. Donc, sur le chart du jour, donc bienvenue aux gens sur Zoom. Welcome to people starting to join on Zoom now. Not Zoom, I said YouTube, man. Sorry, guys. It's still early. So, bienvenue aux gens sur YouTube. Welcome on YouTube. So, don't forget to subscribe. Alright, so again, maintenant, si on regarde sur le chart de la journée, on est en train de créer un support au moment où on se parle, qui est le même support que nous avions Ouais. Okay. That's weird. There we go. I don't know why my mouse doesn't. That is so weird. What's going on? Setting. I don't know why my mouse does that right now. It doesn't scroll. What's going on here? That's so weird. So, okay, whatever. So this candle was on the January 12th, right? So we're kind of creating the same kind of support we had. So let's do this here. I don't know what's going on here. That's weird. Whatever. Donc, si on regarde donc sur le chart du jour, donc techniquement on devrait continuer vers le haut. So if you look at the daily chart right now, it would make sense that we continue up. Our main problem again is 142. 142 is really strong. So now let's jump to the 4 hours. Okay, so now that's where I start drawing zones. It's on the 4 hour. And it looks like what I was talking about yesterday on Telegram. So for people that doesn't know, we have a Telegram channel. You can join. The link's in my bio. It's completely free. What I talked about my analysis on Telegram, I said when we were here yesterday morning, I took a sell, but I was very careful for the sell. And the reason why is in the back of my mind, I really thought that we were pushing bullish at one point. And the reason why is really simple. I'll show you. It's because of here. All right. So right here, what is going on with this mouse? So right here. What the hell? So you see, last time we tapped into that support, which is 140,400. It got rejected to the upside, right? It got rejected to the upside to 142. And look at what's happening now. Yesterday we tapped into the same thing and we are mirroring exactly the same move as we speak. Donc, hier, si on regarde, j'ai envoyé une analyse sur le Telegram qui disait que j'étais pratiquement certain qu'on allait miroir le move qu'on voit ici à la gauche qui se passait le 11 janvier. Okay? Donc le 11 janvier, on a tapé dans le support de 140-400-ish et après ça, on a poussé jusqu'à 142. Et présentement, on est en train exactement de répéter la même chose au moment où on se parle. Donc je ne serais vraiment pas surpris qu'on aille taper dans 142. So now, so we got our zone here on the 4 hour. I got my zone here on the 4 hour, but adjusted on H1. So now let's go to H1. H1 right now is ranging. Okay, so now we just broke out of that range. Let's see if that 1 hour can close above this range and we can grab a buy if we form kind of a support, right? So we'll see how it goes. But it would make sense to continue up. If we close above 141,500 QP, technically we should continue up to 142. All right. Donc présentement sur le H1, on est en train de consolider. Donc présentement, on est en train de briser cette consolidation-là. Reste à voir si on va fermer au-dessus de cette consolidation. Donc c'est pas chose faite encore. Mais voyons voir ce qui nous attend. Si on forme un support aux alentours de ici, et là je ne sais pas si vous voyez. Oh guys, you don't see my chart? All this time? You guys see my chart, right? Okay, phew. I got scared for a second. Oh, you guys see it on Zoom, but you guys don't see it on YouTube. Oh, shit. Sorry, guys. Yes, sorry. That was dumb. Sorry, guys. Let's remove that. Media source, Logi. There we go. Oh, so sorry, guys, on YouTube. All this time I was talking and you didn't get it. So I'll do a recap right after, right? So sorry about that. Sorry for party rocking. Okay, so let's get back to it. So sorry again. Um, you guys only saw my ugly face, right? Sorry, YouTube. All right, so right now I was saying if we break and close above this support, we can wait for support to be formed and push to 142. So going to the 30 minutes, same thing. I mean, it's ranging. And yeah, same idea of H1. Right now on 30 minute, we closed above. So technically it would make sense for price to continue up, but we need to wait for kind of a support to be formed, retest that zone, and continue our push up. So yeah, so that's for the GJ. Donc sur le 30 minutes, c'est la même chose. Présentement, on a brisé la consolidation, on a fermé en haut. Maintenant, il faut juste attendre un support pour qu'on puisse continuer vers le haut. Ok, le prochain target devrait être 142. So let me just do a quick recap for YouTube here. I'm only gonna do it in English. I'm gonna go fast because sorry guys, they missed it. But basically, if you look at the monthly here, I mean monthly respected previous low. Respected previous low. Broke previous high, so technically we should continue up on the long term. So if you guys swing trading, you guys can use the exact same strategy we use. You just gotta execute and analyze on daily, weekly, and monthly. But it will be the same thing as taking action on 30-minute, 1 hour H4, right? So same concept here. So looking at the weekly, same concept. We respected previous low. And we start to push up. We didn't broke previous high yet, but the major problem will be 142. So we'll see how it goes. But every time we went to 142 lately, it got rejected. So looking at the daily, same concept here. We are forming support as we speak, but this candle is not closed, so we don't know for sure. But it kind of formed a support at the exact same place as support was formed on January 12th. So looking at H4, and that's what I was explaining on H4. I mean, yesterday around here, I took a sell and it worked great, but I was very cautious. I actually closed 90% of my position, and usually I close 80. I didn't let a big runner run because I was pretty sure price will be rejected around 140, 400. Because last time we tapped into that support, that level, it got rejected and it went up straight to 142. And that's exactly what we are doing. We are mirroring that move as we speak. So yeah. So H1 and we went back to H1, right? So tell me guys if this mute button was working now. Can you guys hear me in 1, 2, 3? All right, perfect then. Excellent. Okay, back on. All right, so we got a question here on YouTube. Have you started to the Founding Talent Challenge are they limited spots for it? Yes, I actually started my new challenge yesterday. This is the new challenge, similar to FTMO. So basically, the target is 8,000 instead of 10,000. The split commission is actually better, is 80-20. And if you fail, you don't left with nothing. You can actually pay the monthly fee and actually switch to another program. Yeah, there are tons of things that's pretty cool about it. So yeah, man, I don't know. Can someone fix my? Oh, here. Ah, here we go. I fixed my problem. That was simple. All right. So. All right. All right. All right. All right. So guys, okay, let's do. Hold on, guys. If you have question, don't be shy. If you have chart, you can send it to YouTube, or if you are in the Zoom, you can send it to the Zoom. Let me see if I missed some question here on Zoom. Did you enter the trade, Sasha? Oh no, yet, not yet. No. Entering an impulse trade at 5:30 is really really risky. Um, do you think this is a good time to buy? No. Wait for support to be formed. Um, Sound is good. Hello. All right. Just focus on the chart. Oh, thanks. Can't hear anything. Perfect. That's good. That's good. The H4 should create a lower wick. Yeah. Well, I mean, at this point, this candle started to. What is going on again? Usually, I can slide this thing. I don't know if someone ever had that problem. Usually on, you get ces pointy là qui bouge, those little lines, usually they move with your arrow. So I don't know what's going on here. Oh well, it is what it is. So yeah, so it's possible that a 4 hour doesn't have a bottom wick, but yes, it's really early in that 4 hour and we still don't have a bottom wick. So it's really possible that we come down, create that bottom wick and push back up again. But at this stage, we already broke previous high, so I don't know. We gotta see. We gotta see. We gotta see. That's why price action is key, right? So I mean, if we form support around here, we're gonna be able to take a buy. And if we go like, why do I have this support here? This support is. This support doesn't make sense. I'm trying to find why I had that support. Huh. Oh, that was right here, I guess. So yeah, okay. So yeah, so technically if we come down and break, I mean, actually we can move this here because nah. Safer buy is gonna be under 141 for safer buy. Safer sell, sorry. It's gonna be under 141 400. So after that, yes, we can have a little sell, but to be honest, I don't think so. I think we're gonna be doing a buy. And this mouse thing really pissed me off right now. So I don't know if that happened to anyone. Settings, symbols, no. Okay, so let's check out the news here. And all right, so if you look at the news, news calendar. We have not much. Not much. Not much. Yeah, very quiet day. So we have clean traffic on the news side. Donc, on a vraiment... On va avoir une journée tranquille aujourd'hui. Pas de nouvelles importantes. Looking at the headliners. Yeah. And lately, Forex Live has been better than Forex Factor in fact of news, to be honest. Like headliners. I think I don't know. I think they're faster than Forex Factory now. It's just my personal opinion. All right. You're muted on YouTube? Oh no, that was probably before. Okay. Forest does not have a lower wick. Yeah, this is quite suspect. True, it's really suspect. Refresh the page. Okay, let's try that. Let's try that. Leave. No, same problem. Same problem. So I don't know, usually I got those lines that come across and I can see the date and the time without clicking. Now I have to click on the candle to see the time of that candle and the date. But usually when I move my mouse over, it works. So whatever. Alright, let's go. Let's put the desk into bullish mode to make sure we get a good buy here. Alright, bullish mode activated. Here we go. Donc pour être sûr qu'on ait un bon buy, on va mettre le bureau en mode bullish. Yeah, for people asking, I got my Abs jersey because we actually won a big game again yesterday. 2 in a row, baby. 2 in a row. Yeah. Alright. So Sasha, refresh the page. Sir, if EU is in a downtrend and if market closed, then what can we expect from London session? I mean, just follow price action. You know, it doesn't mean anything special. It just mean that EU is still in a downtrend. So you just follow the trend, bro. Whatever happened into a session, you just follow price action. So send a chart and we'll take a look at it. Sasha, you've got the arrow selected instead of the crosshair. Okay. But still, I gotta click to see the crosshair. Usually the crosshair follow my mouse. So I don't know what's going on. Try refreshing the page. That's what I did. I can try again. You see? It's not moving. It's weird. Very weird. So it's really annoying, actually. You broke TradingView, I know. What the hell? What the hell? Alright, so we got a chart here coming from from Popoy. I like it. Alright, so alright, so this is GJ 30 minutes. Oh, you took a buy. Took impulse entry when the candle broke the previous high and closed bullish, but it closed with no wick at the top. Yeah, that's what happened when you don't wait for close above the range. Now going to wait to form a support before I take a buy position and retest 142. Yeah, that's why it's really important, guys. That's out of the range. You gotta know your timing, to take an impulse entry. You gotta know the timing when timing is right. So yeah. So now we just gotta wait. Because let's say you took the entry, your range was probably like that. You took the entry when this broke and you went like not even 1 pip in profit and came back down to the range, right? So yeah, you gotta be patient. Gotta be patient. If a price close about 141, then we can expect for buy. If it close about 141, I mean about 141, like here on the purple line. I mean, if price close here around 141, it's not a buy. It would be probably a sell at this point. But yeah, so let's do this for fun here. Boom. Bam, 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 bam. Okay. So I was just trying to figure out if we're able to get a golden zone here with the fib rejection. But to be honest, golden zone works best when it's trending, and now it's ranging, right? So it's not going to help us much. Donc j'essaie de voir si on pouvait avoir une zone de réjection dans le fib qui est le golden zone, mais c'est sûr que quand le prix consolide, ça marche pas trop bien. Donc c'est pour ça que ça ne sera pas un outil à utiliser en ce moment. Alright, let's take a look at GA. GA, let's remove everything. So looking at GA. Alright, so looking at GA on the monthly, I mean, we are definitely bearish here. Came back, create support, push back down. This is on the monthly. Monthly right now was bearish, but it's looked like it's flipping on the bullish side. So looking at the weekly, weekly form support, broke previous high, so it makes sense to continue up. On the daily, same thing here, respected previous low, broke previous high, so should continue up. Let's put this support here on the daily. We got 4 hours. 4 hours, we have this resistance right here. This zone, we're gonna adjust it right here. We got this support that was actually acting as a previous resistance also. My mouse is driving me nuts, guys. Alright, so that's good. And next target on 4 hour would be right here. So here, and we got this one here. Alright, so you see how I put my targets on 4 hours. And after that, I'm going to readjust my zone on H1. So let's see here. Right here. Right here. We got this minor support, donc un support mineur ici. Donc vous avez vu, je mets beaucoup mes objectifs sur le 4 heures et après ça, j'ajuste mes zones sur le 1 heure et sur le 30 minutes. So yeah, so that makes sense. Yeah, definitely makes sense. If you look at 1 hour. Yeah, after this zone, after 77, 100, it's going to be a clean buy. We're going to get clean traffic after that. But right now, I mean, if you're trying to take anything right now on GA, I mean, there's nothing much you can do. There's a 10 pip range here to the next zone. After that, you got this wick fill to 77, 100. Let's see how big is that range here. So that's 22 pips. So after here, I think we can have, after 76, 8, 30, if we form a support kind of, I think it can be a good option for a buy. And under this zone, 76 to 66, can be a good sell potential. So we'll see how it goes on GA. Let's go back here. I need to fix that mouse problem. It's driving me nuts. All right. Hi, Sasha. I understand everyone setting will be different with magic keys, but could you help with setting for small account? I actually have a video. On my YouTube channel. If you go, I have a talk over beer special edition about magic key. I actually screenshot my settings, so you can go watch that video. Don't forget to give it a like. And yes, you can find all my settings on that video. So you'll see it's a template, it's a thumbnail, purple thumbnail says magic key on it and forex talk over beer. So you will have everything in there. What's your thought on breakout to the upside on US 30? I don't trade a lot of US 30. I don't take a look at it too much. But if you send a chart, we'll take a look at it. It's the same concept. It just move quicker. But the thing is, you got to watch more fundamentals. Definitely, because US 30 is really impacted by news. Oops. The hell I did. Here, let's see. So yeah, guys, if you have questions in your chart, don't be shy. I was watching it this morning. We'll do again. Thank you. Perfect. Hello, Sasha. What's up, Ellie? What do you think of UJ? Send a chart, David. We'll take a look at it. So guys, if you don't say what you think about that or what you think about this, send your chart. So that will help you and that will help others. So send your ideas and we'll see if it makes sense or not, you know. That's how you're going to grow. That's how you're going to learn. Why did you change your PC to a Mac? Is there any specific reason, Sasha? Oh man, there's many reasons. The stream was freezing. It was slow. It was horrible. so I had to change, and I have a lot of video recording, editing to do for the course that I'm launching in probably in a week and a half or 2 weeks. So that PC was not doing the job. So I tried to order PC gamer tower. It was like 2,000 something Canadian, and one day my brother told me that to watch or to take a look at the new Mac Mini with the M1 chip, and I watched it and I did my homework on it and I was really amazed by the speed of that computer. It's just crazy. It's so small and so powerful. It can beat like any gamer PC basically. There's a guy on YouTube actually did a battle between his lovely $10,000 gamer PC and the M1 kind of beat that tower in so many aspects. So I was like, all right. So that's why I bought that. Will you post the webinar into YouTube? Oh yes. If you go to YouTube channel right now, Trade with the Pack, subscribe, activate the notification so you'll see when I post it, when it's going to be available. So guys, if you're on YouTube right now, and if you're or on Zoom, go on YouTube and check this little animation. Smash that like button. You're not going to see it on Zoom, but if you go on YouTube, you're going to see it. So don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. Yeah. So, all right. So let's see Kenny's chart here. Let's see Kenny's chart. Oh, very well labeled chart. This is GJ 30 minutes. So support created after London Open. Resistance created here. So yeah, so we got this kind of range. If 30-minute candle close above the resistance, need a retest. Take 2 entries of 30-minute candle if it break high previous week. Right here. Oh yes, I will wait for this candle to hold on. This is it now or in the past? Oh no, you're now. Okay, perfect. So yeah, so I would wait for this candle to actually close bullish to form our support, right? So, and if support is formed in 20 minutes from now, I think we're gonna have a great buy opportunity. So, but again, if this price comes back in that range, there is no buy possible. Let me just check something. I just want to make sure I send the link to. Did I send it to the Discord? Sorry guys, let me just, yeah. All right. So again, okay, so let's see here. Kenny, I'm in the same trade, risking low. Yeah, trade with the pack channel, yes. Kenny, I'm in the, yeah, okay. Kenny, 1% for my first entry, and I will add another % for my second entry. Oh, great. Awesome. So let's take a look at David here. Oops, what happened? Oh, here we go. This is US UJ. All right, perfect. So UJ. Looking for bearish candle to break support and close below for sell. Oh, you highlighted your clean traffic, I guess. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, let's take a look at UJ for a second. UJ. You see how I don't like UJ? It's not even there. And the reason why I don't like UJ and any pair with the US dollar is because there's too many stuff that can move the pair. That is looking at 4 hours. 4 hours is trending. Bearish. If you see, if we break this resistance here, it's going to be a safe buy for sure on 4 hours. Right now, we might form resistance to shoot back down, like you said, so that makes sense. clean traffic on 4 hours. You had this double bottom here on the 4 hour. Looking at 1 hour. Yeah, that makes sense. Yep, that makes sense. If you close like you said under this around like 103,985, if you close under this support here and form resistance, you're gonna have a great sell here on the UJ. But again, I didn't watch the news for UJ. Just be very careful. So I don't know if there's anything. I don't think there's anything, but be just very careful because if Trump or Biden fart the wrong way on Twitter, I mean, your trade is gonna go to the toilet. So that's why I don't trade any pair with the USD. It's too much shit that can happen. So c'est pour la raison pourquoi j'aime pas les paires avec le dollar US. Parce que si n'importe quoi arrive, point de vue politique, exemple, Trump ou Biden écrit une stupidité sur le web, ben tout d'un coup, ton analyse, aux toilettes. OK? Donc, c'est pour ça que je prends pas la peine de trader une paire avec du USD. C'est complètement ridicule. Le nombre de fois que Trump a pété, a fait un gros pet, et finalement, c'est ça, tout a foiré. So, je sais pas si je viens de dire le mot foiré sur un zoom, mais bon. Je me sens comme en disant foiré, je me suis senti français. Oh, j'ai d'entendre Geoffrey dans le background. Oh, je t'entends. Ton son est vraiment pas très fort, mais je t'entendais un petit peu. Ah, là, je t'entends. Tout ce temps-là, je te regardais puis je pensais que tu parlais avec quelqu'un dans ta pièce. Ça veut dire que tu me parlais tout ce temps-là. Ah, ok, ok, c'est bon. Il est pas complètement fou. Alright, so let's go back to GJ now. Alright. So what's your thought on the break? Oh yeah, so we didn't receive that. We didn't receive that chart from the US 30. Nelson says, Je ne parle pas français. I think you do. I think you do. Good morning. Just got on the chart. Had a mini vacation in Tampa, Florida. First day back since Thursday. Nice, man. Here it's snowing, so it was probably better in Florida. So don't forget to quarantine yourself. So, David, thanks, boss. Sorry, I really appreciate it. You're welcome, David. In price action, what's the difference in candlestick pattern like hammer and hanging man? Hanging man? Really? I don't know. I don't even know that pattern. It's just like hanging man. That feels like brutal. Yeah, no, I don't look at those. Hammers, I don't look at those. The only one I look is the only candlestick pattern I look is the engulfing one. That's it. That is it. That's the only candlestick pattern I look. And I don't trade based on that. I use it as a hint. So there's many things I used, but I don't trade based on that. I use it as a hint, right? So if you take a look on 4 hours, someone was talking about creating a lower wick on the 4 hours. If it does, it will also create the second shoulder of this shampoo pattern. I call the shampoo pattern because call it the head and shoulders. So anyways, so yeah, you got the head here, shoulder on the left, and if we go to the downside, creating a bottom wick, we're gonna start forming that left shoulder. So I don't know. I don't trade based on that, like I said. I just use it as a hint. So it's not for me a trigger to take a trade. It's just like giving me ideas. Simon, good morning, Sasha. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Mike. That was your chart that we just take a look at, right? Oh no, what's going on here? So Mike, okay, so that's GJ on the daily chart. Do you think that when you reach resistance 142, it will go down a lot and not break that resistance? That's what I'm thinking, and that's what I talked about just before. And that's something I talked in the previous stream. I think it was last week. We were in the same situation, and I was saying like every time we tapped into 142, it got rejected. Same idea that I explained on 4 hour also for 141, 140, 400. So we might mirror this move again. So it looked like my idea that I posted in Telegram actually played out. I was saying that we were tapping and mirrored this support here and push to the upside, and this is exactly what's happening. We are mirroring this move. So it looks like last time we went to 142. It got rejected, boom, and we went down. And if you go back here, that was on September 20, also got rejected. And if you go before that, last time we were above 142. It was when economy was open back to normal. That was in February 2020. So I'm thinking, are we really ready? Is the price really ready to go above 142 if the economy is not back to action, right? Donc l'idée en arrière de ça, c'est que la dernière fois qu'on était en haut de 142, c'était au moment où l'économie fonctionnait normalement, était ouverte. C'était au mois de février 2020, si vous regardez sur votre chart. La dernière fois qu'on était en haut de 142. Et depuis ce temps, on a toujours été en bas de 142, à part quelques petites exceptions qu'on avait brisées, mais on a rejeté automatiquement. Donc la question que je me pose, c'est est-ce que le prix est vraiment prêt à être en haut de 142 pendant qu'on a une économie qui n'est pas ouverte à 100%? Est-ce que ça fait du sens qu'on retourne en haut de 142? Je pense pas. Est-ce que c'est impossible? Non, tout est possible. Mais logiquement, ça ferait pas de sens d'aller en haut de 142. Mais je dis pas qu'on n'ira pas. So, it doesn't really make sense that we go above 142 when the economy is not reopened, is not back to action. So that's just a personal thought. Anything's possible, to be honest. But I don't know. We'll see. And someone was asking also why to wait for this candle to close and form support. The reason why is it might be a fake out. So if it comes back down, close under this range, that was a fake out, right? So looking at 1 hour, we are bullish. We have like 9 minutes left into the 30-minute candle, which is the first 30 minutes of this new 1 hour. This is also the beginning of, no, not the beginning, but the first half of the 4 hour candle. Well, not really half. It's going to be half at 7 o'clock, but yeah. C'est engulfing, Sofiane. Qu'est-ce qui est engulfing, Sofiane? Laisse-moi savoir. Je vais essayer de répondre à ta question. Mais présentement, je ne vois pas la question. Je vois juste c'est engulfing, point d'interrogation. Faudrait savoir quelle est la question exacte. Good morning, guys. All right, so we got a chart here. Hey, Sasha, can you look on this chart? All right, let's take a look at that chart. So, oops, that didn't work. I'm having a hard time with my Control-C, Control-V on that keyboard. I don't know why. So let's do this again. Copy. Paste. All right. So this is a chart coming from YouTube. Hey Sasha, this resistance, can it make price to reflect back from bullish trend? If not, why? This resistance, can it make price to reflect back? Oh, you mean probably reject back from okay, reversal kind of. That's what you think. Okay, so that's on the 30 minutes. 141.806. 141.806. 141.806. We have something on the 1 hour. No. No. No, I don't see anything why 141.806 will reject. So based on what? Because the only way I can reject is at this QP level, which is 750. That can be a rejection. As you see, we are scared of that 750. So, but 806, I don't see anything around 806 or 800. So, and as you see, this is really important now. I mean, we just broke previous high, broke previous low also. And now this candle's flipping bearish. So we'll see how it goes. We still have like 6 minutes in this candle. But right now, if you took that impulse trade, your hand's probably sweating. You're probably hating your life. So, I mean, do yourself a favor. You can close partials, reduce your risk. Especially if we broke previous low. I mean, be very careful. You gotta see how this 30-minute candle close. Looking at 15-minute, right now it's bearish and it's ranging, right? So I don't very look at 15 minutes, to be honest, because 15 minutes is evil. It's a weak confirmation. So yeah. So yes, sir, Miller. What a game. Oh, hold on. I'm gonna remove my AirPods because if not, YouTube's not gonna hear you.
Do you want me to test it?
Yeah, go test it now. If people can hear, on YouTube. And guys, if you're on YouTube right now, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Smash the like button.
Yeah, smash that like button. So make sure. Yeah. Oh, Sofiane demande pourquoi. Pardon, c'est quoi engulfing? Oh, est-ce que tu veux parler, Phil? Parle donc.
Ouais, allô, oui.
Est-ce que ça marche sur YouTube? Est-ce que vous entendez Phil?
Bonjour, bon matin. Hello.
Guys, can you hear Phil on YouTube?
I am speaking right now. Testing.
Testing 1, 2, test check. Can you guys hear Phil or just myself?
1, 2, 1, 2, check.
If you don't hear Phil, I'm gonna look like a retard speaking to myself, so that's not pretty cool. So difficilement. Okay, bon. So at least they know I'm not talking to myself. At least.
I'll speak louder, sorry.
I need to find a way. I need to actually ask someone about that.
This other person says just you, audio is low.
Oh, okay. Oh well, it is what it is. So for now, is my voice fine though? Is my voice fine? Sound is good on my end? on YouTube? He barely comes in. Oh, okay, perfect. Okay. I see. Okay.
Okay, sorry about that.
Yeah, oh well, we tried. I'm gonna try to figure out the settings for that. I completely forgot about that.
Anyways, what we were saying, great game last night.
What a game.
Never been this excited for a Montreal Canadian team since I was born. Never.
Man, it's exciting, man. It's been two. I mean, actually, even the game we lost against Toronto was actually a very, very good game.
We were there. And
Yeah, that's three really good game in a row. So pretty excited. Pretty excited. So
Andrew said I'm silent on YouTube, so no, it's only you, buddy.
okay, so yeah, so I need to figure out how. If I have AirPods. Okay. So anyways, whatever. I'm going to put back my AirPods then. So I'm going to look like if someone talks in Zoom, I'm going to look probably like a retard on YouTube. Okay, so the question from Sofiane, pardon, c'est quoi engulfing? Oh, très bonne question. Donc, engulfing, c'est une chandelle qui va envelopper ou englober l'autre. Donc, ça va être une bonne indication que le marché va continuer dans cette direction-là. Comme exemple, bon, ça c'est un exemple très majeur. Là. Mais si on regarde l'exemple, cette résistance-ci, la chandelle bearish est engulfing, donc elle va englober celle-là au complet, plus grosse. Donc, indication de continuation vers le bas. Si on regarde un peu plus bas ici, si on regarde le support qui a été formé ici, si on enlève les deux doji, qui sont des chandelles qu'on ne regarde pas, cette chandelle-là bullish est plus grosse que la bearish, établissant un support. Donc celle-là, elle englobe. Donc très bonne indication que le prix va continuer, même s'il n'y a pas de mèche sur le dessus de la chandelle. So, person was asking what's the difference between what's engulfing? Engulfing is a candle that's going to engulf the previous one. That's going to be a good indication for price to continue up. And those concepts are very well explained into babypips.com. If you want to check it out, it's I definitely recommend babypips.com. It's free knowledge. It's all the basics. So if you guys getting started to trading, I really recommend for people to go watch babypips.com. Actually, even if I'm launching my course, when people subscribe to the course, there's a notification says you guys need to read babypips.com before subscribing, because I will not go over like the super basic concepts, because I don't want people to pay for something that's available for free on the web, right? So here, if you take a look, you go here, and before joining the course, I suggest people to go through preschool and to kindergarten, at least. And you can watch a little bit of elementary, like support and resistance, but we're going to cover that into the course. But you can actually read at least the basics here, and all the rest is, we don't need it, right? So at least those two chapter, kindergarten, preschool, this is gonna be something I ask people to read before joining. So, all right. So, man, it's getting hot in my office. Give me 1 second. All right. So let's see, what time is it now? It's 6:31. So this candle closed. Oh yeah, I forgot to take an entry. God damn. I was talking, right? So stop's gonna be under the previous candle. Yeah. So stop's going to be under the previous candle, and If we come down a little bit, I'm gonna try to take a second entry. And yeah, so if I look here, it's a very nice engulfing candle. 750 is a great target. We should at least fill this wick here. So around 733. So let's put partials here. Partial TP set for 11 pips. And partial TP here. Good morning, good morning. Yes. I just entered actually. Yeah, I think it makes sense. We got a lot of room. So I was waiting for that support to be formed. So we broke, came back up, create support. So now we should retest that new high, and we should tap into 750 easily. I mean, if you look to the left, we got clean traffic, and we got a lot of room after that. So to 142. So it would make sense. It would make sense. Definitely makes sense. So yeah, that would make sense. Since my stop loss is pretty tight, I snapped 4 entries on that funding talent challenge. Even with 4 entries, I don't think I'm risking. This is a 9 pips stop. How big was that stop? Stop was... Oh shit, that's a 5 pip stop. Oh, wait a second. I need to move that a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't realize it was that tight. Yeah, just gonna give it a little bit more room. Where's that H1 candle? H1 candle. Yeah, H1 is too low, but just gonna give it a little space to breathe here. So at least a 10 pip stop, right? I'll put a 7 pip stop, so it's gonna be a little bit better. Because it can just wick down and push back up after, so I don't want that. And especially that the most important thing is I don't want to be stopped by the spread, right? So you gotta be careful here. All right, no, that makes sense. All right, so let's see how it goes. So now the first couple minutes, you might see a little down to create a bottom wick, and we're gonna start pushing back up after that. But again, if we close back into this range, I mean, there's no trade possible. If we break the previous low, I'm gonna close some partials, but we should be good. We should be good. The only thing that I don't like is this 4 hour. It's rejecting like crazy, and we didn't have a huge wick here, so I'm scared of creating the bottom wick, but we'll see. All right, but I think this is the basic like break, retest, and we go. So most of the time, this kind of setup work for me. So if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. You gotta understand, guys, when you take a setup, and your setup usually win and suddenly you're losing on that exactly same setup, understand it's not the setup not working anymore. Just like it's trading, it's part of probability game, right? So you never know. maybe 8 out of time it's gonna work, but don't forget you always have that 2 times that it's not gonna work. So be very, very cautious about that. Um, oh, the stash is back. So don't forget, guys, if you hear me on YouTube talking to some people, I'm not crazy. I don't talk alone. It's just because I didn't figure out the setting for the stream for you to hear what's going on Zoom. So sorry, guys. Um, ok, let's see here. Break and retest sur GJ en 30 minutes time frame. Oui, exactement, Hugo. C'est vraiment, vraiment exactement ça. Oups, j'aime pas ce que je vois présentement par contre. I don't like this. I don't like this. We need to respect that low. We need to start pushing back up. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Ouais. Oh yeah. Basic. So at this point, I closed my position before just before my stop. I actually closed two position when it broke previous low, and closed the rest just before getting my stop loss at like -7 pips. So, but two position was closed like at -5 pips. So again, that was the first attempt. What? Yeah, the exact same setup worked yesterday. So again, it's all part of probability, and right now, I mean, it is what it is. Mm-hmm. So this price pushed really hard yesterday, so yeah, it might be. Now, yeah, that's it. So, alright, so first attempt, it's a big fail. Well, not big fail, but it's a fail. Um, alright, so now. No, 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 no. No. Yeah, sell will work like under the zone. Under the zone, that would make sense. But now, if you're trying to sell, let's say now, the problem is you got this QP, you got this consolidation here to the left, so doesn't make sense. Um, Hey, toi aussi, bonne journée. Bye. How about 141, 650 looks like strong a bit. 650, yeah, but we have clean traffic to the left. We got this candle rejection here, but except that, not much. So technically, it would have made sense to continue up, fill those wick, get to 750 at least. I mean, we got clean traffic to the left side. Um, 1 hour is very, very clean. And like I said, we have this wick to fill. So, yeah, would that make sense? Maybe 1 hour is gonna create that support. Maybe we'll see. We'll see. 30 minute holding support. Can we go long? Yes, I guess that was a previous message. Sorry. The answer was yes, but now the result is no. um, so hopefully you didn't take it since I didn't answer your question. So I just saved yourself a loss, right? Buying into a huge 4 hour retest point here, you know that, right? Risky. 4 hour retest. 4 hour retest? I don't see any retest on 4 hour. I see clean traffic to the left side. So what Kindle does, they look to the left, they see what's happening, and they're gonna go up. Yeah, you're talking about previous year, but you always need to take a look at the most recent traffic. And yeah, yes, you got to keep in mind that those area can be problems, but I mean, if you start looking at everything, you're gonna start doubting everything you think about your trade idea. Um, so yeah, no, here was clean traffic. So for me, it was no problem here. Um, let's see here. Did we answer that? Yes. Sir, is there any student from Pakistan? I'm pretty sure we have. Do you think for GJ was a good idea to enter since it closed a week bearish and above resistance? I did not took this trade because I already took a loss. Okay, so let's take a look. So rejected resistance and created bearish candle. I was thinking in shorting as price broke the low, but I thought that sell below 76,550 that is on GA will be safer as there is not much traffic on the left side. Yes, that was exactly yeah, and don't forget, if you're trying to sell here, I mean your range is super tight. You don't have a lot of room here, so it's kind of risky to take that sell right here, especially that now. I mean you're trending up, right? So yeah, when was that? Whoops. When was that? Is that live? Hold on, let me check something. Yeah, okay, you're live, yeah. So yeah, the problem here was, I mean, if you're trying to sell, you only have like a 12 pip range, so it doesn't make sense. It's super risky. It worked, it worked. You can secure your profit now, but it is risky, right? Because I mean, you 12 pips before support, so cleaner sells is gonna be like under here, because you got this candle clean traffic here to the downside, but you don't have a huge range either, but it's pretty decent. I can trade in that. You got like a 20, 22, 24 pip range in that range. So yeah, it's not so bad. And you can target probably for your runner next support right here, right? So and now we wait. 30-minute holding. 30-minute holding. Yeah, we answered that. Buying into a huge no, we answered that also. Okay, perfect. I'm up to date. Thanks, Sasha. See you on Raj's Zoom. You're welcome. Nyson. Thank you, thank you. What time is it now? It's, yeah, okay, perfect. Sasha is not coming to Raj's Zoom today. No, exactly. Any advice of how I could have done better? Oh, I guess that's the same one with just... Oh, no, okay. That's GJ. 1 hour. Yeah. The problem here is you try to take an impulse entry on 1 hour. At this time, it's not going to work well. And impulse entry usually works best when price is trending. And right now, we are in a consolidation zone. Donc, principalement, l'idée est que prendre une entrée impulsive va marcher mieux quand le marché est en train de trender vers le haut ou vers le bas. Et présentement, on sort d'une zone de consolidation. Donc, et surtout à ce temps-ci, à cette heure-ci, moins de chances de réussite. So, especially this kind of timing right now, I mean, there's less chance of winning an impulse entry at this time. You got to know that it's more risky. So, what you have could done better is wait for close above. If you trade on 1 hour, just wait for that close above that zone, right? So yeah. But as I see, I don't know if those purple line means that you closed some partials, but hopefully yes. So you closed partials before your stop loss, and if you did that, that's really good. That's what you need to do, you know. That's what I did. I closed 50%, so I closed 2 position of my 4 position when we broke previous low, and the rest got stopped out. So I mean, hey guys, what's up? No fill sound on YouTube. Oh man, that's old message. Sorry guys, I'm late. David, I guess you should have waited for the 30-minute to close. As per perfect. Just exit the Zoom and went to YouTube, and you see Phil lips moving. Okay. Yes, artist like because looks so stupid when you talk alone. Thank you, Andrew. Zane. All right, Zane. I know I'm so late. Thanks. So. All right, so GA from Zane. Rejected resistance and created bearish candle. Oh yeah, we took a look at it already. Okay, perfect. Excellent. Hey, look at my entry on gold. No. That's US gold supply. So I don't know, man. You need some labels. I don't know what you're thinking. I don't know what you're doing. So here you're shorting because you have a bullish candle. That doesn't make sense. And yeah, it's just like, I don't know, dude. You need some work on that chart. My SL was 7 pips. Is there any news? No news. That gold chart is a no, man. Oh yeah, someone answered that. Thank you, Andrew. Is about to break the wick. Perfect. Marc-Antoine. All right, let's go see it. Oh, look at this guy trying to trade Euro. Oh, EN. Jesus. All right. High is made. Price is bullish. Waiting for support to be formed on the golden zone. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, that looks that. You need a rocket on that one. She's right in that support. Da, 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 da. What time is it? 8 minutes left. What I don't like is the fact that, yeah, those candles getting smaller and smaller. And maybe you guys know, but on TradingView, Mark and Phil, I don't know if you guys know, but usually you got this crosshair following your mouse, right? And now I have to click on the thing to see the candle time, and usually it moves with my mouse. I don't know what's going on. You guys never ever had that problem? God damn. That's weird. So I gotta click. That's weird. Whatever. I hear you, but for those trading the H4, they would have been looking for sells. There, that huge move down on Friday broke major H4 structure, and that point at 141,600 ish. Yes. Yeah. No. Same thing. I don't see the crosshair anymore. Yeah. That's it. Maybe it's a new Mac, yeah. God damn. So now, price seems to be rejecting that last support. So we might have a second opportunity at one point, but we need to see how this is gonna close. H1. What? Yep. I was just about to say something. What did I want to say? Yeah, I forgot. Oh yeah, I was looking because I read that 4-hour chart message. So, I mean, if I was day trading or swing trading based on H4, to be honest, first I wouldn't have taken a trade as we speak. Probably would have waited for 4 hour to, I mean, because think of this 4 hour is trending very, very hardcore bullish. At one point, I mean, we need to come down, form support to continue push up, right? So yes, it might be this area that's going to start rejecting, coming back down, form support, push back up again. So because we've been pushing super hard on 4 hour. So, but I really thought that we can actually come to 750, 800. We actually went on the 4 hour, but I thought we still had some juice to go up on a lower time frame. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, basically on the 4 hour, it's the same concept. I mean, you got clean traffic here, so technically it would make sense to continue up, right? So even if I'm swing trading or day trading. Yeah, it's the same area here that we have on 30 minutes and 1 hour. But it's respecting it, right? So it's actually rejecting it now. So if, of course, if we coming to close under this range, I mean in this range, it makes sense. So maybe we were just a little too early in that trade. think I forgot to answer that question. How do you mark the QP on TradingView? You grab your line here and you place it where you want. Pretty simple. And you put the color that you want. You can put it pink, you can put it blue. Someone's drawing some monkeys on the chart. God damn. Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Maybe if we close under this, yeah. Man, the game was late yesterday night, so I'm so tired. Where is my GA? GA. So weird. I cannot find on Tickmill my GBP AUD. That's weird. That's so weird. Wow. Closing back in that range, so there's no buy, no sells. So we gotta wait again. Hey guys, if you're on YouTube, just make sure you subscribe to the channel and smash that like button. You know, so yeah. There we go. Good boy. Ouais, je travaille dessus. Yeah. Yeah, my friend Nick did it. He's actually his website is yeah. Let me put his name here somewhere. His name is he doesn't have his design Instagram page, but he just started a new Instagram drone page because he does some picture with drones, and his designer website is yeah. So he's the guy who actually worked on MF Swag, did the website for MF Swag, and he's actually the one who did the FX Dogs Academy logo. I mean, this logo. I mean, this logo here. Boom. Right? So, pretty dope. So GJ is pushing down now pretty hard. Alright, for sells, I mean it's gonna be beautiful also. I mean, whatever man, if we go up here or down here, I mean we got some room for sells or buys. We just need to get out of this stupid range. And I really thought that we were good here, but it is what it is. Ouais. Ah, j'ai même pas vu. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a eu hier comme ça? Parce que je suis parti du chart vraiment de bonheur, j'ai même pas suivi. Ah, ok, 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 ok. So yeah, so this was discussed in actually the push up was discussed in our Telegram group. You guys can join. The link's in my bio on IG. The idea was last time that we tapped into this support, we went up to 142. And actually right now we are mirroring this exact same move as we speak. So yeah. We'll see how it goes. But let's say, just for fun, I want to see something. Let's say that based on 4 hours. Just, man, this mouse is driving me nuts. Well, no. So I was just wanting to see if we have a golden zone somewhere on 4 hour, but doesn't look like it. Boom, boom, boom. Man, not another boring session, please. What happened with GA? Oh, GA closed under. So, yeah, it would be nice to, yeah, we did that retest, kind of. I want to say a better retest, but yeah, something interesting. GA. Let's take a look. I will only take that one on my live account, not on my challenge account. Yeah, that's it. That's what I'm looking at on my other screen. Yeah. Yeah, the 500's right here, right? Yeah. That's what I saw on my other screen. On my MT4, because I got those lines on my MT4. I was like, oh, wait a minute. I opened calc and I saw the line. I was like, I don't know. But in the meantime, this level lately, yeah, it was respected here. Yeah. Yeah, no. I'm gonna hold on that. It might work, to be honest. Yeah. If it breaks the low again, probably gonna snap a small entry on my live account only. Yeah, it would be best, to be honest, to create bullish, close bullish here. Second one, coming bearish, forming resistance, and back down. Yeah, that would be, to be honest, that would be the safer thing to do. And that being said, that's what I'm gonna do. Good idea, Zane. Good idea, Zane. So let's be patient here. And I might miss the move, and it's okay. You gotta be okay with missing moves. And that's probably one of the hardest part of trading. The what? Sorry? Missing move, yes. FOMO, all that kind of stuff, you know. Let's see, question. The logo is very nice, Sasha. Thank you, Mike. Very appreciate. Gold looks kind of interesting under 1842. Nice clean candle. Let's take a look at gold. 1842. 1842. Did you say under 1842? Interesting, under 1842. 1842. Yeah, right here. Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, you're gonna get clean traffic. Oh, you probably grabbed some profit already. I saw your message late, so yeah, 19 pips. So that makes sense. Gold melting, yeah. Just join. Are you waiting for the 30-minute to close? Yes. I'm actually waiting to see what we're doing with this candle. We attempt, I don't know about we, but I did attempt a buy above here, and yeah, unfortunately it melted down. So second attempt, I gotta be very careful. I want to make sure that it's gonna be a safe buy. So actually on my challenge account. So all right, what we got here? Ouais, c'est pour ça. Hein. Yeah, so for people, let's do this in French for a second, because I was just about to enter and I explained it why in English. Let me do that in French. Donc, sur GA, ce qu'on voit présentement, c'est j'allais prendre une entrée lorsqu'on a brisé le lot, mais la réalité est qu'on est sur un QP 500, puis si je vois ici respecter, 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 donc je suis comme, je vais attendre de former une résistance mineure ici, et après il pourrait avoir une belle option de vente parce qu'on a vraiment un bel espace libre ici là, si on suit cette chandelle là. Donc c'est très 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 libre, on a le champ libre, bref. Alright, so let's go see here. We have a chart incoming. My London buy this morning. This is GJ 15 minutes. Very bullish trend. Number 2, start to break out of the range, enter a trade, close after trade as it start to come down. Yes, good management, but impulse entry on a 15 minutes, it's always risky. It's always risky. Don't forget, this close above on a 15-minute is a weak confirmation. Weak confirmation. A 30-minute close above a resistance is a better confirmation than a 15. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. So now rejecting this QP here at 500. Yep. Nice little rejection. Let's take a look at H1. H1. Ouais, mais je pense qu'il va pousser. Yeah. God damn NY session lately. It's brutal. Brutal. Trying to find why on my challenge account I don't see GA. So weird. Show all. Here we go. Oh, it's right here. I guess it's not popular enough. Here we go. Boom, boom, boom. Load templates. There we go. Oh yeah. Sorry guys, I'm just fixing my magic key on my new chart here. Oh, what I did. That's not what I want to do. Wrong mouse. Having two mouse, two keyboard, kind of fucked up. This is good. That's good. This. Yes. Partial TP. Oh. Oops. What was that? Whatever. Pips profit when? I don't know what's that. Alright, that should make sense now. Partial TP and SL distance. This. Alright, that would make sense. There we go. Alright. So GJ is starting to push back up again. GG actually went back down to create 4-hour wick. Now it can continue up if current 30-minute hour or hourly candle close back above previous two candles bodies. Yes. That's what we got scared of just before. I was saying I got scared. And someone mentioned also there were no wick at the bottom here. And yes, it was a little scary. And someone says actually it was suspicious. And it was. You were right. You were right, my friend. That was suspicious. So now this bottom wick is created, respected previous low. So I think now we're going to be good to continue our or travel to 142. So, but we need to close above this range. We have 13 minutes left into the 30-minute candle. Yeah. GA is respecting that QP we were talking about. Donc, GA respecte vraiment ce niveau-là présentement. Sur GJ, présentement, GJ, le prix recommence à monter. On a formé la mèche en 4 heures en bas. Donc, techniquement, maintenant, on devrait avoir ce que ça nous prend pour continuer notre ascension vers 142. Effectivement, il faut fermer en haut de cette zone mineure-là pour continuer notre ascension. J'aime ça dire le mot ascension. When we took long after support was formed in 30 minutes, should we have waited for next 30-minute candle to break the high before executing? Wasn't here. Did you reply to my question? Oh, okay. Sasha, second trade GA. Oh, not yet. Oh, your second trade. Okay, give me a second. We're gonna take a look at it. Okay, so about the question, if we wait for the second candle to break previous high, the problem with that is, I'm explaining it to you. Okay, so let's get this here. Yeah. So let's see that this is your entry, right? Okay. This is your stop loss basically. Okay. So now this is your entry. You have a 7 pip stop loss. If you enter at the break of this, and don't forget, hold on, wait a second. Let's do this again. All right, so this is, I always secure at 11 pips on my end. So if I do this, I got a 7 pip stop for 11 pips profit, right? If I wait to break this high, suddenly my stop became 11 pips, and now my profit is like less, you know, because I'm not sure we're gonna break 750, you know. So now I need to go well above 750 to put my 11 pips profit, and which is more risky. So the reality is, when you have an engulfing candle like this, this candle is your confirmation for buys. If you wait to break the high, your stop's gonna be bigger, and sometimes you're gonna miss your move because price might move like 10, 11 pips, but since you enter here, you're only going to be like 5 or 6 pips in profit. So, and after that, it's going to retrace in your face. So I missed so many moves at the beginning. If you look at my trading journal and you go like when I started to journaling, you'll see I was more often, most of the time I was actually waiting to break previous high or previous low. But sometimes the problem was I was not getting my pips, right? So yeah, at this point it was just like probability. You're right. Because usually, I mean, this setup actually worked yesterday. The same kind of setup to the bearish side. So this is second trade on GA for Pepoy. Like that. Note, if I lost the second trade of mine, losses, I'm done for today. 1 for today or 2. Okay, 1-1 for today or 2-0 loss. Yes, I mean 1-2 trade a day, especially if you have 2 losses in a row. I mean you're just come back to the next day. All right, so let's see now. Resistance rejection form. Place my stop at the previous high of this 15-minute candle. Okay. And this is the 30-minute chart, right? Okay, perfect. First target, 20 pips. Even though this is a clean candle, but we can ignore this rejection. Retest the support. took a sell here when the previous candle closed bearish and broke the support. Yes, that was the same idea. Same idea I had, but I'm waiting for support. So it's more risky because you're right in front of a QP, a 500 QP here. That right now it's still respecting. You see this line? This is quarter point. So far it's respecting it. I would want to see this coming back up, close bullish, next one come bearish, and take the trade on the next one. So that will be a clean setup for GA. Right now, just because of this QP and those rejection here, I don't really like it. Oh, what? Man, oh man. Maybe this is just creating wick on 4 hour on GA. GA 4 hour. Yeah, maybe. Wow, what a wick city on 4 hour. Whoa. I didn't realize that GA was leaving so many wicks like that. Jesus. Good morning, good morning. On GA? On GJ, no. On the 30 minutes? Yeah. Yeah, but for me, the problem is this here. This for me is a no trading zone. So that's why it's a yeah, smart. Yeah, smart, because I mean, if you take the sell here, coming back in the range, and you got this 500 QP, and you got this goat shit here to the left, this is only like a, what, 11, 12 pip range. So I don't have enough room for me to play in this. So that's why I didn't took it. Yeah, smart. Hey Bradley, hey Sasha, could you take a look at my chart? Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Boom. Whoa. This is GA. All right, I got some GA friend here. 30 minutes. Took a sell with the break of this candle, low risk, 1,000, but only end up losing 418. Do you think this loss was because of probability? No, I think this loss was. I would not take I explained that on GA. I was about to grab the sales here, but since this QP was right here, I see those rejection right at QP. Here was respected, also respected. And our friend Zane mentioned, yeah, I would wait for resistance being formed. I said, you know what? That's actually a great idea. So we got a break. Now I'm waiting for a retest. So this candle looks like it's retesting. And next one can print bearish, and after that we're gonna be able to ride the third one. So that would be a perfect setup at this point. The problem with a lot of people is they watch Raja's stream, and often Raja grabs some impulse entry. I do so, but the problem with this is most of the people only focus on impulse entry these days, and it's a really big problem, because man, impulse will work great when there's when market is trending, when there's volume in the market, and when you have experience. So before that, let me tell you, I lost so much money trying to do impulse entry at one point that I stopped. I stopped for a while. Same thing with 15-minute chart. I stopped trading those. Those one I stopped permanently. Impulse entry now I'm getting much better at it. I understand when an impulse entry can work and when it can't work. So yeah, timing is everything. Um, for me, there is a zone at 141,610, 141,470. I guess it will go up if it closes above 141,650. If not, it will go down to 141,200 for retest. Yes, you're right, Sofiane. Ça ferait du sens. I am talking about H1 time frame. Oui, non, ça fait du sens. En haut de 6,50 ici. Oui, absolument. Absolument, ça fait du sens, Sofiane. Mais présentement, pour moi, il n'y a aucun trade possible dans cette région aussi. Parce qu'on est dans une consolidation. So, still waiting. So, we had one attempt. Let's put that on the chart here. Text, I guess. Trade. So, okay. So I guess G trade minus. So I'll do an average because I close 50% at 5 pips, the other 50% at 7. So I'm going to put minus 6. And I guess here, who cares, right? Can I put it black though? Need to put it black, underline. What the hell? Select font, writing system. Don't know what's going on here. There we go. All right. What the hell? So maybe I should put it on Zoom then. Whatever. All right, so let's get back to it. I'm talking about H1. Oh, here, we answered that. Okay, so let's see here what we got. Maybe this is just DJ Bro, not G. Oh. Hey guys, for QPs, I use institutional level indicator on TradingView. It's NDE. Oh, nice. Very nice, very nice. So I guess there's a tool there. This is. So now, what time is it now? 7:30. Okay, so this candle just closed. This candle just closed bearish, rejecting 500 here, but we'll close back in this range again. So now, again, we gotta wait. We gotta be patient again. Man, goddamn NY session these days. GA is doing exactly what we want. So now is retesting the zone here. So that's pretty good. J'ai même pas checké les jeunes hier, pour vrai. And the thing too in Asian is yesterday I had those zones and I was like, yeah. The thing is I had my zones and I actually placed an alert. So I placed an alert. I think it was like around like 14900. So I placed the alert, and I don't know why I didn't notice the alert. I noticed this. It was way too late. Price was already like over here. I don't know. Oh, this morning you mean? I don't know. I don't know. No, because I mean, no, because he wasn't awake. I mean, for this buy at 6, he was awake, but he was not streaming at 6. Oh yeah. Oh, I see. I see. But now, just like we're going nowhere now. So this 4-hour candle right now is just like it's a huge wick. No body. Doji style. Are we going down? Would make sense though on 4-hour, because I mean, pushing so hard on 4-hour now. This small body candle probably gonna reject, come back lower, create support, push back up. It would make sense. So that means that we can grab a sell in lower time frame. If this the idea, but we gotta wait. That's why sells would make sense under this zone. We got clean traffic, so yep. What about GA? GA is retesting that zone, and yeah. Pretty cool, my friend. Bye, Mike. Bye. Take care. Yes, 7:33. Yeah. Are you making a course, Sasha? Yes, I should be done. Probably in a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks. Yeah. You know what? What time is it? No, what time is it? What day already? I said probably at the end of the month. You know, so probably at the end of the month, and come on. I didn't decide officially. Should be around 500, but that's gonna be including. It's just not the course; it's the mentorship. It's also gonna be including one-on-one. You know, which not which is not a lot of people do. Not a lot of people do one-on-one, so that's gonna be included. Yeah, we'll see. The what? Gold, yeah, if we break this here. Il y a juste toi qui peux voir ça. Shit, bro. Yeah. If you go under 18, under 1838, yeah. I don't even know. I just click on the first. J'ai pas le bon bro. Oh. I never realized, to be honest. Also, this one. There we go. So long, man. Crazy. Oh, look at GA. Exactly what we were waiting for. And now, yeah, I think I missed the entry. Yep. Yeah, so so I think that's gonna be a great sales idea here. We got clean traffic, broke previous low. We retested this zone. So yeah. And if this close around here, like in 20 minutes, that's fine. The next one should get the volume. That's why I only took like a small entry first. And I will take my full entry on the next candle if it's still around here. Yep. Yeah. Yep. So let me place that partial TP. TP here, here. All right. So, boom. Huh? On G? Oh, it's geez, looks pretty clean. Yeah. The only thing though that scares me is we didn't close under 500. That's the only thing that kind of pissed me off, but what? So we got that break and retest, and now should be good. Should be good. And volume's gonna start coming in like around 8 o'clock. We're gonna get more volume in the market. So 8:30, of course, is the timing we look for. So again, if this close bearish like this, that is perfect. That would be exactly the perfect scenario like we were talking about. Closing under this range, coming back up, retesting, wick retest, closing bearish, establishing resistance, and we write the next one, which is the 8 o'clock one, which is the very close to the NY open market. So yeah. GJ so far is doing shit all. Hey, don't forget to go on YouTube and smash that like button, and don't forget, if you didn't subscribe. Oh, it's now. I just press it now. It's just like smash that like button. Faut que je l'active. Je le mets pas en permanence. Oh yes. So guys on Zoom says, I didn't see the smash like button, so let me go unlike it and re-like it after. So, so don't forget to subscribe also. And tomorrow we're gonna have a forex talk over beer. And yeah, so right now. Non, c'était pas les horns. Ah, t'étais pas là, tu vois. C'est parce que t'étais pas là quand on l'a gagné, le trade. Ah, t'étais pas là. Oh, shit. Ouais, Friday we got some wins. Yeah, we were in the stream. Oh, it was Thursday. We had a win. Yeah. Yeah, with GA. Yeah. 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 Boring morning. Yep. Under support, so that's good. And under 500. So where is that 500? Here we go. All right, so we need this candle to close. If this closes like this, I'm gonna be able to put my full risk. 10%. No, I'm joking. What? Yeah, H1 looked pretty good. H1 is the wick retest, broke previous low, so. I like it like that. Non, j'ai pas trouvé comment encore. I didn't find how to put music on YouTube. Yeah. Allez. J'étais triste qu'il l'ait enlevé, hein. Je sais pas c'est qui a du background noise, que c'est du statique en arrière.
Ça doit être ma mic. Ouais. C'est toujours moi, ça.
Ah ouais, c'était clairement toi.
Ouais. Je sais pas pourquoi, man. Des fois ça le fait, des fois ça le fait pas, genre.
Est-ce que ça fait pas ça avec un Mac?
Gros flex.
Coup de genou.
Goddamn. Les gars, ça les fait dire en cul.
Allez. Là, je l'ai dans la tête, là.
I know. Great song.
Come on, GA. We got 12-ish minutes left. This 15 closed bearish, under support. So broke previous high, broke previous low, so it's kind of 50% chance here. Same thing on the 30-minute. La 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 la. La 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 la. Looking at GJ. The thing is, if you look at this on H1, looks like we kind of form a high. Now we need to come down, create support, and push back up. Look like we have exhaustion. Oh, Jesus. Phew, that was hard to say. Bam. The Franglish taking over. Allez. Oh man, pourquoi j'ai ça en tête?
I said it.
Shit. Oh, by the way, guys, if I don't know if you did it. We're talking about my friend Nick who worked on the website. He should. Oh yeah, he put it in stock. Okay, because I don't know why we forgot to put that it was in stock. The hoodies. It was saying pre-orders, but we only have a couple of those left, and after that, we're not gonna reprint for a while because we're having a hard time getting our supplies. And actually, I think we have. Did he put it? No. Okay. We only have a couple sizing available right now, if I'm not wrong. I don't know if it's gonna say. Oh, sold out. You see, medium is sold out. Small is sold out. Large is available. So we got a couple large. Double X is sold out. And looks like we have a couple X large available. So we only have large and X large right now on the red one. And on the gray one, the gray one, where's the gray one? We don't have any more gray? Is that possible? Looks like it. Looks like we're out of the gray one. Oh, black and red here. Oh no, that's the only available colors. So alright, so I guess we're out of the black and gray. T-shirt, we only have a couple left. Also, we have some mediums. Medium and large, that's it. So if you want some, it's the time to do so. We have only like a couple of caps left also. So on the red one, we still have some red one and some bearish and some bullish one. So And they will be sold out pretty quickly. So make sure you secure yours while it's still available. And if you want to give love to this guy, is the guy who, oh shit, damn it. I need to wait a second. So let me remove that. Let's go to Instagram. Oh shit, same problem. Forget about that. Alright, let's go back to our thing here. So GA still not sure what to do, which is okay because that means I'm going to be able to snap my full risk if it closes like this. You see, sometimes it's better to wait for close. You get less stress, but now I don't have a lot of stress because I'm only risking like 0.5%, so not really stressful.
You're gonna risk half, you say?
I'm in right now for half, you know, so I'm waiting for close to add more. So that's why I was saying sometimes when you wait for close, you're always gonna get, not always, but sometimes, most of the time, you will get almost the same entry, but with less stress and less, I would say.
I'm 100% less nervous when I wait for the close than when I take an impulsive entry.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Impulsive. So I don't know if I told you, my brother is like getting his like psychology master's in certification, so he's gonna be a sports psychologist. And we talk life sometimes, and he was like, "What's something that's stressful and you can avoid?" I'm like,
Yep. G is looking so good.
Yeah, G is working great right now, so.
Ça va peut-être devenir notre nouvelle bitch.
GJ lately has been painful. Yeah, it looks like we create a high on GJ since we were pushing since yesterday. I mean, it makes sense that we stop here, come back down, create support, push back up, you know? It wouldn't make sense. It wouldn't make sense. When I'm looking at it and just for fun here.
Yeah, G should come on. Look at that.
Just gonna keep that there just for visual. Whoa, GA, hola, GA. Let me. Hola, Pepito. Hola, G. Yeah, I'm 7 pips now so far. So. Je suis le bord, là. So yeah, so it looks like
so clean. Yep.
Je vais libérer un peu de place. I'm just freeing some space here. No, I don't know why my support was there though. Is that because it was based on H1. No, I remember. Okay, that's fine. Yeah. Which one? Oh yeah. I didn't see that, but yeah. This week, Mark says, this week has no wick at the bottom, no wick at the top. That kid was like, man, I don't know where to go. I don't know. Man, I'm down 22 pips today from 2 GJ trades. So should I stop trading today and start fresh tomorrow, or give it a last try if any perfect setup present? Sink it.
No last try.
You close your MT4 right now. So, yeah. You better close right now, buddy.
Not worth it.
Baby. Oops. Yeah, no. Two loss in a row. You're stop trading. So now this trade, I only took it. The first trade I took it on both accounts. This trade, I only took it on my live account. And we'll see how it goes. Right now, went to like 7-ish pip in profit as we speak. And
Yeah, I grew a bill the same.
alright, so trading with the pack. G8 attempt here. Getting almost to partial TP. Trading with the pack on YouTube and Zoom with the boys. Alright.
Pas des caves, c'est là.
That's it. There you go. Way soft. You should be good now. They poured it 10 bit, no?
No, still at 7.
Oh, what's your entry? 450?
471. $471. So I guess with the spread, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Spread on GA is a little higher
Yeah,
than
it is.
GG. It's like 1
I'm
point.
I'm at 0.9.
Yeah, it's going from it's going from 0.8 to 1.5. So it's yeah.
Bah, tant que c'est en bas de 2 pips, man.
Yeah, I didn't see it above 2 pips, so it's always under that. But it's playing a lot between 0.8 to 1.6 on GA. So I might have to yeah.
Candle close?
Well, alright, so candle closed, very, very nice bearish, and I'm gonna actually wait for a wick up a little bit, and I'm gonna add another entry to my trade, and if we can have a little wick up, create the top wick. Come on, baby, come on, buddy, give me a top wick.
T'as pas à ton entrée du moment.
Ça serait écœurant, hein?
Tac, tac.
So,
Bon, moi je vais aller, les boys, j'ai des trucs à faire avant de me rendre au bureau. Fait que...
alright, ciao, take care.
Yeah, ben je vais checker les chats rendus au bureau.
Amazing.
Yeah, take
Alright.
care. See you.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Ciao. I'm lucky so far, man. No movements on GJ in the morning. Yeah, full movement.
Yeah, nothing.
Sucks. I mean, it's still January, so what's the plan?
Why? Oh, here we go. Should be good now. Come on, gimme. Come on, a little spike up.
Oh, no.
Oh, I guess no. I was actually able to snap one more entry, but it's not It's not the one I wanted, but
Gotcha.
it is what it is. So I'm gonna move this partial TP to 12 pips.
You should go all the way down. I think you're good.
Oh yeah. You know what? I'm gonna put it at 15 pips.
Ooh. You hear that? 15 pips.
15 pips. And we're gonna close 90%. Set. You know what? Looking at it, where is 12 pips? Yeah. That's gonna be 13 pips because I want to be just a little above that previous support to the left and resistance. So yeah, that would make more sense here. Yeah. All right.
GA seems to move like GJ a little bit.
Yeah. Very similar. So, alright, Sinkit. Good. So, yeah, when you have to, I always follow those rules. Those rules. Oops.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
3 wins in a row, 2 wins, 1 loss, and 2 losses.
Yeah. So, follow those rules, and you're gonna get yourself out of trouble. We've all been there, man. Just close your platform and walk away. Always a tomorrow unless you blow it all today. No loss taken if you walk away and learn from both of them. That's some very wise words from Bill. So yeah, definitely. So like GJ is coming above again that range slowly but surely. It's 8:04 right now, so dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. So since I was able to grab an entry a little higher, I will place that to 12 pips and that'll be fine. Awesome. All right, so now G, that's perfect. Now you can create that top wick and come back down. That would be perfect. Guys, if you are watching the replay or you are on YouTube right now, don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and activate notification. So you'll see when I go live or when I post stuff. Of course, after I'm done recording the course, I'm going to be adding more stuff to the channel, some more content to the YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and so you'll know when we post it. So it looks like GJ is finally pushing. Pushing, that's a big word. It's trying to push. Trying to push. Trying to push. Trying to push. Hey, where's Ellie? Is Ellie there? It's been a while.
Yes, I'm here.
Oh, here we go.
He's in the background.
Oh, okay. Just making sure we didn't lose you on the way.
No, I'm still here.
Awesome. Awesome, man. Here we go.
Like this a lot.
Yeah, I don't like the fact that GJ is following GJ now. So GA need GA needs to come down now. Created a top wick. All right, so now it's good. Now you can come down. Boom, boom, boom. La 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 la. La 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 la. So now on GJ, we need this 30-minute candle to close above this range, obviously. This is the 808, yes. So that'll be great. That would be a good timing for impulse entry. Because if we get this candle to close above, next candle can wick retest that zone, and we're gonna break previous high. That would be a great opportunity to take buys to the upside. But we need to close above. Copy. And let's take a look at this chart here. Is that one? AT? Yeah, okay, perfect. So looking at this here, this is GA 15-minute price broke support, SL above the wick, creating doji indecision candle like a retest. That's not a doji. Oh, this one? Okay. If the price break above, close 50%, yes. Impulse entry when it broke the low of previous candle. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. For me, 15-minute, it's super risky. So for me, I would have wait for this 15-minute to close and enter on the next one, but it came up to the same idea, you know. But 15-minute is a weak confirmation, so you're gonna be very careful with that. So that's why I would be tempted to wait for a close more than a impulse entry on 15-minute. But that's just my personal thought. And now GA is doing some funky stuff. Still respected previous highs, so technically we are still good, but we didn't broke previous low, so at this point we don't know yet. But I think now we should be fine. Rejecting 500 here, so yeah. Man, what's the chance, man? We have two people in the Zoom that they gonna befriend now. Two people from Beirut. Here we go. Simon and Ellie. Ellie.
GJ make me bored from 2 weeks.
Yeah, those last 2 weeks been really crazy on GJ. Very crazy. And if you look at oops, Yeah. By the way, this is my trading journal. It's available for anyone. It's public. The link is in my bio. It's actually in the description of the video also, and it's the links in my bio of Instagram also. But you can take a look at all trades, being taken in every month. So like you see, January started rough, man. January, I think, was really hard. Win, 2 lost, win, 3 lost, 4 lost in a row. That was the first time since I don't even remember. And finally some wins here, 3 wins in a row after. But yeah, it's been a while. If you take a look, I mean, 4 lost consecutively. Man, I don't think I recall that. Loss. No. Of course, I had some before I start journaling, but since I journal, I don't think it ever happened, actually. Loss. No. 2 loss in a row here. And that's it. 2 loss in a row. Oh, 3 loss in a row here. That was in June 2020. And that's it. So yeah. That was the first time. Jeez. Since I started journaling. Of course, at the beginning, man, trust me, I had some more than that. But since I started to be more constant and profitable, this is the first time I have 4 loss in a row. But thank God this ended Friday or Thursday. Can't remember. Thursday. Yeah. Thursday I had my first ever GA win. So this one. That was the first time trading officially GA. Man, I completely forgot to change the. If people wants to, actually, I think my Instagram name is on my description also, but I'm gonna put it here too. Yes. All right. So GJ is still respecting that zone so far. Rejecting it. 15 minutes just closed bullish, but in the range, so nothing we can do. GA is starting to retrace a little bit, but right now it's still bullish. 15-minute close week bullish. And since I took that trade on the 30-minute, I will wait for that 30-minute to play out. And yeah. If we close above 500, I'm probably going to close like 50% of my position. Boom, boom, boom. So we got 15 minutes left now. Half of this candle is completed. Waiting for the second half. Looking at H1. H1 is trying to form support here. So that's why it would make sense if this... this is 8:15 now. So I was thinking about if this candle closed above on H1, that was establishing support. But yeah, it's not going to happen. Yeah, we definitely need this to close above. There's nothing else we can do at this point. Man, I can't wait for market to get back to normal. A regular volume, you know. Next year I will.
After January.
Yeah, next year for sure. I'm taking the two first week. For sure, 2 first week are off, and maybe the third one. I'm gonna be starting slowly, you know.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Brazil hasn't traded yet in Jan. He hasn't missed much, to be honest.
Yeah. Why is this price pushing up? I'm trying to see here. 15 minutes? No. 4 hour. Oh. I didn't realize that. I didn't realize that we were at, yeah, that's a little mistake here. We are right at support on H4. Huh. Yeah, definitely need this H4 to close bearish under support. God damn. Yeah, I'm gonna be cautious about that. I didn't realize we were at H4. Hey, H4 is ugly on GA. It's crazy. Look at those, all those wicks. Phew. Jesus. I wasn't focusing much on H4 when I backlisted GA. I was looking at it, but it just like hit me now in the face. It's just like, oh my gosh, that's a lot of weeks. So let's go GA, come on. Oh man, this is so long. Boom, boom, boom. Ooh, I don't like this. I don't like. So I'm gonna be closing one of my position here on GA. And that's it. And let's close another one. Did we broke previous high? Doesn't look like we broke it on my MT4, but I'm not gonna take any chance. I'm only gonna leave like 0.25 running.
And yeah, that broke the previous high session.
Yeah, that's it.
If you check on a metric flow trader, that should give you like a little box.
Yeah. It's tiny, but You know what? I don't like it now. So it is what it is. Oh man, it's painful.
Yeah. To be honest, if it closes like this, like a strong bullish, then
Oh yeah,
some buy will be coming in.
probably yeah. What time is it
Yeah,
now?
you get the money the less.
So yeah, so let's close this. I close in full. I don't like this. All right, so I guess now, of course, it's gonna retrace. Murphy law, right? Of course, my friend. So that was here. Whoops. Remove. That was sell. That was broke here. So
Yeah, what I've noticed, Sasha, for the past obviously 2 weeks, I know it's January, it's stable, but every time I take an entry, I get like 6 to 7 pips, and then that's it.
yeah, I know it's crazy. It's crazy. Usually when I see my trade goes like an 8 pips profit, when it comes back to entry, usually like I close some of it. But now it was like a 6.8, so I was like, all right, so I need to let it breathe, and but yeah, I just came back straight to entry and passed it. So yeah, market lately has been like, I don't know, not weird, but it's not acting.
So,
Yeah, it's not acting like I'm used to, So
yeah,
because I was not trading the same way as I'm trading now last year, so I didn't realize that, but
yeah,
yeah, it's quite something, to be honest. And of course, G is retracing. Oh man, god damn it. So,
yeah. I had a buy in London. Um,
oh nice.
see the little pattern like formed just before we came up to 500.
Yeah.
So I took a buy there. No, just before. Yeah, around like 3, I think 3 a.m. your time.
So here.
Yeah, after the
Oh,
closing
on
of
this candle, I guess.
yeah.
3:30.
Yeah, so yeah, I took a buy there, and then obviously that 8 pip week like scared the shit out of me.
Oh,
So
this
yeah,
wick here to the
yeah,
downside. Oh.
yeah. When it came back down close bullish, I just went straight to break even because I just couldn't hold it anymore.
Oh wow.
Look at that, cut me out, and then boom, 30 pips up.
You know what? And you know what's pissed me off right now? It's because usually I hold until the close of that 30 minute.
Yeah,
And you see, like how we were talking about, like psychology, it plays a big game into trading. And since I already have a loss and I want to reduce my losses, I was like, let's close it now. And
yeah,
if you really believe in what you do, I mean, technically, I mean, should be fine. And you wait for the close of this 30 minute, and if it closed bullish now at this point, and that's this stage, if it closed above 500, now I start reducing my risk. Um,
yeah.
but instead I close it like right around, like kind of
After,
here,
yeah,
so anyways, so it was like eight.
understand.
I think it was like 8.9 pips, almost 9 pips down. So
Understand. It's the same as securing as well. When you get to like 8, 9, you take like 80%, and you see you go to 12, 11, 15, and you're like, oh man,
Oh man.
yep.
shit.
Yeah, exactly. My bad, Sash. My brother called me.
Yeah, that's no problem.
He's
So
sending me some stuff from Montreal because I'm
Oh yeah.
No, I'm gonna come back to the Marv probably.
Ooh.
Man, GJ's fucking around, man.
Yeah, same with GA right now. It's just like
Hey,
I close.
he just got a 10 pip move. Like, I just want a 10 pip move. That's it.
Yeah, I closed my GA trade, and now it's reversing and coming back my way.
Impossible.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Yeah, GG is just smoking crack, man.
Crazy. They move at the same time. Those two, man.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Look at this. Wow. But now GJ's interesting though.
Yeah, for a style, I was gonna say.
It's really interesting now because with this huge rejection, yeah, which this huge rejection to the upside, um,
Yeah. I mean, that's a part of resistance. Well, we used to be a support, I think. Yeah, it used to be a support. That's why we're seeing.
Yeah, I was gonna say move your.
yeah, because the reality is, oh, this is because it's on H1, right?
Oh, yeah, no, I see that now.
Yeah, things on
If
H1.
it breaks that low,
Oh, if H1 breaks that low though, it's melting. And if it does, I'm gonna take that based on H1. Yeah, because I think on H1 it makes sense. Because if we break this low, if we break this
the
low,
rejection we just had could go.
yeah. If we could break this low,
Also, for hours, we rejected the resistance.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe the next candle will be bearish.
I mean, at the end of the day, if GG can't go up, it must come down, right?
Yeah. Plus, there was a strong 4-hour support in the
Yeah.
past, so that's a huge ceiling right there. Nice.
All right. So that 30-minute close with no wick at the bottom, huge wick to the upside. What the hell?
Yeah, but that's liquidity.
I'm still interested in selling it if it breaks the low, to be honest.
Yeah.
Yeah, based on H1, it would make sense, you know. Because H1 came, the first 30-minute came test the high, and the second 30-minute going your way. Based on the H1, it would make sense. Just want to see if probably gonna go, if I go, I'm probably gonna go with the fixed stop of like 15 pips or 13. I'm gonna place it, yeah, it's gonna be 15 pips max. So yeah, we'll see how it goes.
Good thing the 30 closed below the 500 level zone.
The what, sorry?
It closed below the 500,
Yeah.
but not really much.
Yeah, I think for me, it seemed like it goes on.
Because right now we're having the NY open market, right? So I'm expecting the volume to break, but the problem is lately we don't have the volume. So that's my only concern right now. So
That's just quite a weak rejections on the 1 hour on the bottom side.
I gotta go, Sasha. Thanks for the stream. Good luck, everyone. Thank you, thank you. That is from Bill. We're also stuck in election limbo until Wednesday. I haven't traded since last Monday. Just haven't felt comfortable since. That's a good idea. Simon, LEO, PR, survive. Oh, okay, yeah. GJ is a range nightmare. I had a buy an Asian session from 140, 830 to 141, 430. Oh, wow. That's a pretty good buy. Really good buy, Karen. Sofiane, peux-tu me donner ton avis, s'il te plaît? Oui, certainement. So we have chart here coming up in French. Okay, Sofiane. So, strong resistance. This is GJ. No, GU. Oh, GU 60 minute. Just need to watch 1 hour. Okay. Strong resistance. This did a couple time. Okay. Wait for the break. Enter in the retest. 50 pips. TP1 close 80% and let the rest run in B. 50 pips? Okay, it's not happening yet, right? Okay. C'est pas arrivé encore, là. Donc là, c'est ce que tu t'attends de faire. Donc ça, c'est sur le 1 heure. Moi, je pense que tu dois regarder, là, Sofiane, il faut que tu regardes ici, bouge pas. Ici, tu as une résistance. Donc, je pense que si tu regardes pour intraday ou day trade, tu dois regarder, là, premièrement, moi, je sécuriserais des profits ici. Parce qu'ici, tu risques d'avoir du problème à ce niveau-là. Et après, tu pourras laisser tes coureurs aller pour ton TP final. Mais je ferai attention pour sécuriser une partie ici. So, yeah. Oui, on reste sur une tendance haussière, effectivement. Oh, hold on, wait a second.
Yep. We should continue down now. We should continue down.
What a...
I'm okay with this.
GJ got scared for a second.
Yeah, a little bit. Come on, GG.
Yeah, I took it.
Bring this. Here we go. Halfway to my.
Let's go, GJ.
Yeah, come on.
All right, finally we have a move.
Come on, GG. Come on.
Come on, go. Come on, baby.
Finally, GJ is giving us something. I think we're gonna go. Trading with the pack live on YouTube and Zoom.
Keep pushing.
Let's get it.
Finally, man.
She took all this stuff 350 or something, you know.
She got us going. Keep pushing.
Let's go. Let's go, GJ. Let's go. Let's go, GJ. Let's go. Oh, GA. Is GA playing out? Oh, god damn it, GA, really?
Really?
I'm going out.
Oh yeah, you're back. You're back to your. Yeah, that's awful.
Wow. So now this is a very good example of why I wait for this 30-minute to close before taking action. But lately with those losses, I think I was a little bit less confident. So I kind of play with my psychology. But I should believe in my analysis and just wait for this 30-minute to play out. Yeah. Oh well. It is what it is, you know. Oh, actually, this 30-minute closed bullish. So I would have closed 50% at this point, right? So I would have closed 50%, but I will still have 50% left in that trade. So, because I was looking at each one, that's why. So it's still a very good example.
Come on, GG.
Give us some push.
Come on, baby. We have room.
Oh yeah, 100%.
Yeah, New York City's been dead lately, you know.
Oh yeah. Come on, baby. Come on, baby, light my fire. Tu as raison, Sacha, ça fait environ 30 pips à sécuriser. Exact, Sofiane. Donc, c'est important de sécuriser des pips. Très, très, très important. Surtout avec des grands TP comme ça, il y a quand même beaucoup de chances qu'entre-temps, le prix revienne sur soi-même. Come on.
That's good. Come on.
All right. Let's go.
3 more bits.
3 more?
Yeah.
I know you took a better entry.
Man,
My entry's at 141. Let me see here. Let me see.
Should we somewhere 5 or something?
141, 490, 96.
96.
Oh, yeah.
Shit. Okay, you took it on the retracement. Or you anticipated the break.
The break of the low, and that's
Ah, that's why.
Nice.
Yeah, mine's at 75.
Nice. Yeah, roughly same as well.
yeah, there you go. Same idea. Very same. Same thing.
So I need a couple more pips. I need a couple more pips.
Yeah.
Come on, NY Open. Let's give us some volume. And this, if this start coming down, looking at 4 hour.
The way the way I see it too is like, man, we had such an issue going up all morning. It has to come down at some point. If it can't go up, it's coming down. I think it's Roger that said that like on one of his first stream on Mixer, and I really like stayed with me. He's right.
So on 4 hour, if we're starting to coming down like this, what we got? Oh shit! And for people that do swing trade, yeah, can take the entry like around this, after this level here on under 140 400. I think that can be probably gonna melt.
Jivan was talking about the same thing on his live stream.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, that 400 zone, like 140, 400.
Yeah.
Yeah, if it breaks, you could see some nice.
Yeah, but until then, since we went to 400, man, it got like rejected and pushed back up. So come on, GJ. 48.42. What about GA? Goddamn. Booby trap candle on GA. Moi qui espérais avoir un numéro 27 dans l'équipe pour pouvoir changer le nom de mon chandail. Non, c'était Galchi.
It sucks for him, and he really went downhill.
Yeah. Yeah. So I was hoping for a player that take number 27 this year so I can just change the name on the jersey. Would have been great to have Anderson with 27 or Romanov.
Yeah, one of them.
What the hell, GJ?
Come on, keep going.
So, yes. So for people asking, yes, this. And this, I took it on my challenge account. So I'm not taking more than 2 trades on my accounts. So I took 2 on my live account. And so I placed a fixed stop of 15 pips. And I'm targeting the fill of this week. Oops. 15-minute close, strong bearish, but 15 minutes a weak confirmation. We gotta wait for the 30-minute. We need this candle to stay under the zone. So, just as I say it.
Wow.
Well, it's okay. It's normal because this new 15-minute need to create that top wick, right? So 15-minute created that top wick, and now it's rejecting it and starting to push back down. So you gotta understand how candle prints, right? So when you understand how candle prints, it's gonna take you out some stress, man. Donc vous devez comprendre comment les chandelles s'impriment. C'est très important de comprendre que pour former une 30 minutes, il y a 2 15 minutes. Donc si une nouvelle 15 minutes ouvre, c'est normal qu'elle doit former la mèche d'en haut avant de continuer vers le bas. Pour être honnête, j'aime mieux voir ça que voir l'inverse. Si la chandelle commence par briser le bas et après aller en haut, là, c'est plus problématique. So yeah. Let's go, GJ, let's go. Let's go, DJ, let's go. Let's do this.
Right, 15 minutes close nice and strong.
The what, sorry?
The 15 minutes close nice and strong and below a little previous support, so gives me confidence a bit.
Yeah, it should be fine.
This New York has to be be slacking for the lady, you know.
Oh yeah.
Give us the moonies.
Yeah, Thursday and Friday was good. Friday was for rare time. Friday was really good for me.
Yeah.
I actually took one GJ and one GA trade and both winners, so it was good because Friday helped me actually to catch back more than 60% of my losses during last week, so it was pretty good.
Nice.
Because my winners were bigger than my loser, right? So. Da-da-da-da-da-da.
Come on, Gigi, keep us waiting.
And usually with this timing, like around 8:30 ish, we always get a spike, move like with volume. Now it's just like there's nothing. There's nothing. And GJ's coming back in the range. It's 8:48. This 15 is still retesting the zone. So maybe 15 minutes will give us the basic break and retest. So this 15 probably going to close bullish. Next one's going to start coming down, closing bearish, establishing resistance at support. And next one will shoot down. So that gives us to, this will close at 9:15. So 9:30 should be the one if we get this, So next candle probably gonna start retesting this zone with a wick and start coming back down. But yeah, it's a long wait. Usually I like to be in my trade like for, I don't know, 10, 15, 20 minutes.
Yeah.
More than that, man, it's not for me.
He plays with it, you know.
Yeah. If this 15-minute candle close bullish with rejection, I will enter. That's I don't understand your strategy here. Talking about what, GJ? Because if this close bullish, you will enter for what? For a buy? Hopefully yes, but it doesn't make sense. For sell, so you wait for candle to print against you to enter a sell. I don't think it's the best idea. Always wait for candle to print in your direction. Yeah, but the next candle, let's say, okay, especially on 15 minutes also. 15 minutes is such a weak confirmation time frame. So let's say this closed bullish. What is your indication that we're going down? If this closed bullish, I mean, there's more chance for price to continue up, right? So it's not because we went to, and this is something really important, guys. Some people's like anticipating move. This candle that closed bullish technically says we have more chance to continue up, right? So you got to wait for the next candle to close bearish to say, all right, we're continuing down, and now you take your entry, But if this candle close against your bias, you don't enter because you think it's going to be a retest. You got to trade what you see, not what you think, or not what you anticipate. So that's really, really important. I did that a lot before, anticipating and trading what I thought that would happen. but market does what it wants. So you gotta trade what you see on the chart, not what you think. That's my advice to you, man. It's just like back then I was a while ago I was trading chart patterns, those kind of stuff, and I was anticipating the double tops or the double bottoms, and I was just like, man, trust me, man, got me some losses, lots of those. So
Yeah, 100%, Sergio.
yeah.
I mean, we're still guessing and anticipating moves, but what we should do is reaction moves,
Yes, well, that's different. Yes. I shouldn't use the word anticipating because I always use that word, but that is different, because we see on the chart, we see that rejection and we see the break of the low, let's say. So now at this moment, yes, we can anticipate it's going to continue down because on the chart we see the retest and we see the break of the low. Now this candle, if it prints bullish, you have no indication to go down. We didn't break previous low. We have no idea, so yeah. Ce qu'on appelle une confirmation. Oui, exactement, Sofiane. On n'a pas de confirmation présentement. Donc, si quelqu'un attend, et puis là, quelqu'un sur le chat demandait si cette chandelle-là ferme bullish, je prends une vente. Et là, la logique en arrière de ça ne fait pas de sens parce que si la chandelle va dans le sens opposé de ce que tu veux, et ça fait aucun sens de prendre une entrée, donc on n'a pas de confirmation pour pouvoir entrer. Donc on doit attendre une chandelle qui se ferme à la baisse et par la suite prendre une entrée parce qu'on a une indication comme quoi le prix va aller vers le bas. Mais là, présentement, de prendre une entrée à la baisse sur une chandelle qui ferme à la hausse, en pensant qu'on est en train de faire un test de la zone, c'est pas bon. On doit trader ce que l'on voit et non pas ce que l'on pense. Donc ça, c'est très, très, très important. So yeah. So guys, if you are on YouTube and you didn't like the stream yet, do so. We're going to be ending this stream pretty soon because I got to get ready for work. So don't forget to smash that like button. And if you didn't subscribe yet to the channel, please do so. So like that, you're going to be notified when we have new content on the channel. So yeah. All right, take care, buddy.
Tough session, but we managed our risk, so it's a win.
Yeah, that's it. It's all good. All right, ciao. Oh yeah, man. GJ lately has been a pain in the butt.
Yeah, I think this 4-hour candle closes bearish, and we've definitely created resistance below that area, and we should see some retracing.
GA is giving me that booby trap candle. Respecting that support. And yeah. GA should continue down. But took my trades for today, so. Oui? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? Oh wow. You guys heard that knock? I thought it was my girlfriend knocking on my door. It was actually my dog. I mean, I'm telling you, they are clockwork, man. They know when it's time to go, so they need to go. So I guess I'm gonna have to go too. So thank you for tuning in, guys. Unfortunately it was a tough session, but I think we learned a lot, and there was a lot of good stuff being said in that stream. So I definitely recommend watching it again. See how we manage those trade. What we can done better. So that's always what I do. I rewatch it and see what was the learning to learn from that. So, merci beaucoup d'avoir été là tout le monde. Je pense qu'on a appris quand même beaucoup de choses aujourd'hui, malgré qu'on n'a pas eu un trade gagnant. Mais c'est correct, on a toujours le trade de DJ qui est en cours. On va voir ce que ça donne. Donc, merci encore. Je vous vois mercredi pour Forex Talk Over Beer. So, I see you Wednesday, Forex Talk Over Beer on YouTube. And tomorrow morning, I'll see you on Rajastream. So, thank you very much. Merci beaucoup encore et bonne journée. Thanks, guys. Have a great one. How do I do